what? Just look at the bigger picture. Oh, he always wanted to do more than what he was doing, and he was not making that change, and the universe has brought that change because he was intending to do it, but he was not finding a way, and he was too comfortable in that job. Good that it happened. Now he has to make those changes, and it's an opportunity. And right now it's none of our business to think what happened in the past and what the company did and this and that. Let's enjoy this moment and leave him alone. And then the sister says, okay, fine, it's a good approach. And she has a lunch, she spent some time, and she left. And then the wife is like, in the evening, she's got ready to go for a run. And the husband, she sees the husband, and she says, if you want to come for a run with me, you can join me. And the husband says, okay, let me go. And then they both go for a run, and like old days, they start just having fun competition. They both run, and then go drink some tender coconut, and then they come back home, and then they take a shower together, and then the husband says, let me cook a meal for you people today, for you and son. He cooks an amazing meal after a long time. Son comes, they all sit and have supper together, and then he says, okay, I'll go back to my work. And then he goes to his room, he prepares a new profile, and he sends his profile to these institutions where he wants to prepare and guide these students for a better corporate leadership and training and all that, as well as he does that in other organizations, corporate organizations and institutions. And at the same time, he feels like he must start his own firm, and he starts his own firm. And people whom he was working with, they all sign a contract. He was working with independently, they all sign a contract with his firm, and things grow, and his organization grow, and one step at a time, slowly he grows. And then he understands that he wants to spend more time at home also, and he gets that opportunity now because he is an entrepreneur, and he does that, and the family also gets to see more of him, and they have a better understanding after that incident, what happened about his job loss, or whatever you say, job sack. And yeah, even the wife helps him now in his work and organization, and he also comes to her painting classes, and does some paintings with her, like a creative stimulation exercise, and they have a happily life, living their happily ever after. It's just that it's an incident, but when you can always think high, always look at the bigger picture, and don't think what happened in the past. And even a moment before something happened which was unexpected, it is in the past. Present moment, even it's a physical pain, as I said, present moment, you have control over your thoughts. You can think a new thought and have a new perspective and do something which can make you feel better. Then you will see your mind will become more clear, more decluttered, and you can think well. You will have clarity about what to do next, and the paths will start opening up because we are giving in to the new energy, which is of positivity, optimism, looking forward, and that you can only do in this present moment. You can't say I'll do tomorrow. You have to change your vibration right now. Of course it will be tough in the beginning, but you can do it. And it is always better, why it is said to surround yourself with healthy people, happy people, because everybody can't get sick at once. If one is sick, even another is healthy, there is a balance. The person can bring some enlightenment, some energies to your space, while giving you that space to cleanse yourself, and not spoon feed you, but yes, guide you and let you be, while you see them and you learn that how they are doing it and how you can do it in your own way and make those changes, and everything falls into place better than ever you thought about it. So always be in the present moment and focus on the bigger picture. What is the bigger picture in this story? The bigger picture is he wanted to be in a profession where he can guide, where he can bring his ideas and energies and knowledge and wisdom to the space where the resources work as a team, new policies are brought, safe and secure work environment is there, and the employees are well trained and leader for development, personal development, organizational development, and all of that, right? That is what he wanted as a whole. That was his vision. So that is the vision, you don't have to attach to one job or an organization. The vision is bigger than a job. There is a bigger purpose. You do it here, you do it there, or do it independently, doesn't matter. Focus on the bigger picture, the vision, not the job, the person, the place, or the money. What you want to do with the money? You want to feel good, you want to live a luxurious life, you want to help people, you want to give to people, you want to share with people, you want to build a space for yourself which is more high vibrant, you want to stay near the sea or the mountain or whatever money. You want to grow plants, you want to grow farm, you want to feed the animals, you want to educate children, whatever your vision is, that is what you want the money for. Now focus on the vision and the bigger picture. The money will automatically the ideas will come to you and money will flow into your space. In the present moment, what you can do is focus on things and activities where you can be clear-headed. You know the direction, you find the resources. It will come to you when you're clear. When your mind is clear, your body is clear, your space is clear, your surrounding is clear, your connections are clean. So focus on keeping those things intact every single day. Your vibrations are high. Everything else you will make it. Everything else will come to you. So focus on the bigger picture and be in the present moment. Everything is sorted and taken care of. This is what I wanted to say in the video. It's gone too longer. Before I say Dasvidanya, I'm sending love, light and healing energies to all of you. Keep thriving, keep shining, and keep spreading your love and light in this beautiful world.